Tragus. After learning the points on inner and outer antitragus, let us learn the important auricular point present on tragus. There are all 9 important auricular points present on tragus. 1. Eternal ear point. This point is helpful in the treatment of all problems related to ear and hearing. This point treats hard of hearing, tinnitus, ear infection, pain in ear, etc. 2. Vitality point. This point is important as it helps in increasing your physical and sexual strength, which in turn increases your immunity and better functioning of the mind and body. This point is also helpful in treating swelling and inflammation of joints. 3. Thirst control point. As the name suggests, this point helps in conditions where you have uncontrollable thirst, or the opposite, where you don't feel thirsty at all. This point balances the desire to drink water as per the requirement of the body. 4. Hunger control point. This point helps with problems related to hunger, and it's especially useful for losing weight. It diminishes your urge to eat extra. The hunger control point along with stomach point, when used together, actually reduce food craving. This point actually balances the desire to eat as per the requirement of the body. 5. Reducing heart rate. As the name suggests, this point helps in controlling high rate of heartbeat, heart palpitation, and tachycardia. Whenever heart rate increases due to any reason, treat this point to bring heart rate normal. 6. External nose point. This point is an effective instrument for problems like sinusitis, cold, nasal eczema, and growth of nasal bone, nasal frostbite, nosebleed. Treat this point for all nose problems. 7. Internal nose point. This point helps in treating the nasal bacterial infections, epistaxis, foreign body obstruction, polyps, rhinitis, deviated septum, common cold, allergies, pain, runny nose. Treat this point for snoring and all nose-related problems. 8. Adrenal gland point. The adrenal gland is a triangular that sits on top of both the kidneys. This gland is responsible for releasing the adrenaline in bloodstream. This point affects the adrenocortical hormones and helps in reliving stress-related disorders, inflammatory disorders, infections, hypersensitivity, allergies, asthma, skin disorders, hypertension, profuse menstruation, and circulatory problems. Since this gland sits on kidneys, it is also responsible for regulating the levels of estrogen and progesterone secretion, and thus helps in reproductive problems. Treat this point to reduce fears and enhance determination. Adrenal gland point is also used in Addison's disease. 9. Anti-addiction point. As the name suggests, this point helps in reducing the addiction of smoking by reducing the urge to smoke